My dear students and my dear friends, today we are going to study about the divisibility rule, and this video will be definitely helpful for you. And from this video and after watching this video, your all doubts about the divisibility rule will be clear. So without wasting our time, let's start the class. Okay, rules of divisibility. First of all, we are going to start from the rules of 2. Rules of 2. If the last digit of a number is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. For example, 2402. In this number, the last digit is 2 and 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 2. Similarly, 2414. In this number, the last digit is 4 and 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 2. Similarly, 1246. In this number, the last digit is 6 and 6 is divisible by 2. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 2. Okay. In short, we will remember that if the last digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the whole number is divisible by 2. Okay. Next, rules of 3. If the summation of all digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. For example, 27. In this number, the digits are 2 and 7, and 2 plus 7 is 9, which is divisible by 3. So, 27 is divisible by 3. Again, 63. In this number, the digits are 6 and 3, and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. So, 63 is divisible by 3. Okay. Similarly, 1872. In this number, the digits are 1, 8, 7 and 2, and 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 2 is equal 18. 18 is divisible by 3 and therefore the whole number is divisible by 3. Similarly, 2, 4, 6. In this number, the digits are 2, 4 and 6, and 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal 12. 12 is divisible by 3, therefore the whole number is divisible by 3. Okay. Similarly, 159. In this number, the digits are 159, and 1 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 15. 15 is divisible by 3, therefore 159 is divisible by 3. Rules of 4. Remember that if the number by last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, 15316. In this number, the last two digits are 1 and 6, and this makes 16. And 16 is divisible by 4, that is why the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Similarly, 13124. In this number, the last two digits are 2 and 4, and 2, 4 makes 24. 24 is divisible by 4, that is why the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Similarly, 231232. In this number, the last two digits are 3 and 2, which makes the number 32, and 32 is divisible by 4. That is why the whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Rules of 5. If the last digits of a number is 0 or 5, 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. For example, 125. In this number, the last digit is 5. That is why the number is divisible by 5. 1020. In this number, the last digit is 0. That is why the whole number is divisible by 5. Similarly, 124565. In this number, the last digit is 5. That is why the whole number is divisible by 5. Okay. Rules of 6. If we factorize the number 6, we will find 2 and 3. That is why 6 is divisible if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. For example, 2, 4, 6. Now, we will check the divisibility rule of 2 and 3 in this number. Okay. First of all, divisibility rule of 2. Rules of 2 says that if the last digit is divisible by 2, then the whole number is divisible by 2. In this number, the last digit is 6, which is divisible by 2. So, the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now, we'll check the rules of 3. In this number, the digits are 2, 4 and 6, and 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So, the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. That is why the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Let's take one more example. 1, 3, 4, 4. In this number, the last digit is 4. That is why the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now we will check the divisibility of 3. In this number, the digits are 1, 3, 4 and 4. And 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. So conclude that the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. That is why the number is divisible by 6. Okay. We will take one more example to understand better. 1, 2, 0, 3, 6. Since in this number the last digit is 6 and 6 is divisible by 2, that is why the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Now in this number the digits are 1, 2, 0, 3 and 6, and 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. That is why the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So, the number is divisible by 6. Okay. Rules of 7. If the difference of the numbers making by the digits exclude the last digits and the twice of the last digits is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. यानी कि कोई नंबर का लास्ट डिजिट्स को छोड़कर बाकी जो डिजिट्स है उसे जो नंबर बनेगा वो नंबर एंड जो लास्ट डिजिट्स था उसका 2 गुना करके उसे अगर डिफरेंस निकाला जाए तो जो नंबर निकलेगा अगर वो 7 से डिविजिबल होता है तो पूरा नंबर 7 से डिविजिबल होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल 3, 4, 3. In this number the last digit is 3 and exclude the last digits, the number is 34, and twice of the last digits is 6. Now the difference of this number and the difference of this number must be divisible by 7. Okay, and here is the difference. 34 minus 6, that is 28. Since the 28 is divisible by 7, that is why this number is divisible by 7. Okay, let's take one more example. 1, 5, 4. In this number the last digit is 4 and exclude this last digits, we make the number 15, and the twice of this last digit is 8. If the difference of this number and this number is divisible by 7, then this number will be divisible by 7. Okay, 15 minus 8 is equal to 7, and 7 is divisible by 7. That is why this number is divisible by 7. Okay, one more example. 1, 3, 4, 5. In this number the last digit is 5, and if we exclude this digit we will find 1, 3, 4, and twice of the last digit is 5 2s are 10. Now we'll check the difference of this number and this number. If the difference is divisible by 7, then this will be divisible by 7. Okay, so the difference is 134 minus 10. 1, 2, 4. Now we'll check if 1, 2, 4 is divisible by 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 5, 4. 7 sevens are 49, remainder 5. So the difference is not divisible by 7. That is why this number is also not divisible by 7. Okay, rules of 8. If the number making by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, For example, 53124 In this number, the number by the last three digits is 216. If this number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, 8 2s are 16. 21 minus 16 is 5. This 6 will be put here. 56. 8 7s are 56. Remainder is 0. That is why this number is divisible by 8. Therefore, the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. Rules of 9. If the summation of all digits in a number is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. For example, 27. In this number, digits are 2 and 7, and 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. That is why this number is divisible by 9. Similarly, 819. In this number, the digits are 819, and 8 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. That is why this number is also divisible by 9. Okay. Again, 234. In this number, the digits are 234, and 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. That is why 234 is also divisible by 9. Okay. Rules of 10. If the last digit of a number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Such as 20. In this number, the last digit is 0. That is why this number will be divisible by 10. Similarly, 24120. In this number, the last digit is 0. That is why this number will be divisible by 10. Similarly, 1001241240000. In this number, the last digit is 0. That is why this number is also will be divisible by 10. Rules of 11. If the difference of the numbers making by the odd place and the even place is divisible by 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. For example, 685454. In this number, the even place digits are 8, 4 and 4, and 8 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16, and the odd place digits are 6, 5 and 5, and 6 plus 5 plus 5 is also 16, and the difference of 16 and 16 is 16 minus 16 equal 0, and 0 is divisible by 11. That is why the whole number is divisible by 11. Okay, we will take one more example. 505010. In this number, the even digits are 0 0 and 0, and 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and 5 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 11, and difference of 0 and 11 is 11 minus 0, that is 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. That is why this number is also divisible by 11. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. If you realize that this class is helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel for more class like this. Thank you so much.